About this item: upgraded exclusive right angle design. This right angle Type-C charging cable fast charge with an innovative 90 degrees L design. Its user-friendly design more convenient and comfortable for playing games, watching videos, reading ebooks when you charging. Note: the thickness of the compatible mobile phone case charging port is 5.5 mm, certified 3.1A fast charging and sync speed. AINOPE USB Type-C cable supports fast charging up to 9V/3.1A, 40% faster, compared with other cables which provide 5V/2.4A output, and data transfer speeds up to 480 Mbps*. Please note: 1. This cable can charge Google Pixel 2/3/3 XL normally, but it may not deliver fast charging speed. 2. Using an adapter of at least 5V/2A if charging for iPad. Enhanced cable durability. USB to USB-C cable has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. It built-in laser welding technology, which ensure the metal part won't break. The longer SR anti-break design enhances the durability of the cable. With 40,000 plus times bend test, the flexible and durable double braided nylon Type-C cable longer service life and will never rupture. Important note before purchase reminder: this cord alone will not provide you with fast charging alone. You will need a power block rated for fast charging and a phone capable of the same together. 2X Premium Nylon Braided USB-C Charging Cable, 6.6 feet, 4U Universal Compatibility. USB charger cable can fast charge and sync well. Compatible with Galaxy S20/S20 Plus, Ultra, S10, S10e, S9, S8, Note 10, 9, 8, Moto Z/Z2, LG G5/G6/V20/V30 and other USB-C devices. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: upgraded exclusive right angle design. This right angle Type-C charging cable fast charge with an innovative 90 degrees L design. Its user-friendly design more convenient and comfortable for playing games, watching videos, reading ebooks when you charging. Note: the thickness of the compatible